The Deal Ninja. Whoosh. Today, we're looking at a sale for items on this beautiful Thanksgiving. Survival items, 9 of them for $20 or less. Beautiful. And of course, I'll link them all below. Let's jump right into these amazing savings. I have one of these. It works so well and I love it. It is a manual chainsaw, $15. It's amazing how well it cuts through wood. Perfect for survival, perfect for a situation where you're in a jam where your gas-powered chainsaw doesn't work. And $16 is a steal for this mossy oak 14-inch Bowie knife. Beautiful. I love the craftsmanship of this knife. Gorgeous. And the same goes with this camping axe. This is gorgeous, isn't it? So beautiful. And only $18, a perfect gift. Don't ever get lost again. You don't have to. For $13.59, you can get this military-grade compass. Has all the options and features you need to be able to make it wherever. Everybody needs a rechargeable flashlight in their life. Super bright, tactical head, has everything you need to be able to, see in the dark or be prepared for any emergency. Only $16. Hopefully you're gobbling up all these savings. I know we are. Click on the links below. Let's continue. And this is just fun. It is a kit that has practically everything you might need for a survival situation for $21. Beautiful. I don't know of anyone who wouldn't enjoy getting this gift. And this is such a great idea for $15. It's not just a beanie to keep your noggin warm, but it has an LED light on it with Bluetooth and headphones. This is crazy. All for $15. Keep warm, listen to music, and you know what? See where you're going. This is great. For $16, a set of 2 magnetic hand warmers. They're rechargeable. So as you're out and about, perfect. You can keep your hands nice and toasty warm. And for less than $20, a car emergency kit. Do not get stranded. We've all been there before, haven't we? Jumper cables, gloves, all kinds of stuff you would need in any type of car emergency, including lights, band-aids, and even a poncho. Perfect. There you go. There's the Thanksgiving sale I can sink my teeth into, literally. I'll link them all below. So if you want to pick them up, we're Amazon affiliates. We'll get a portion of your sale, but your price doesn't change. That's beautiful. We say thank you because it helps our channel, which we keep free for you. I hope you're enjoying your Thanksgiving and spending time with this family. But you know what? On the same note, take advantage of these sales and savings. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.